ennyo Kamalabyonna wa Buganda azikonyeeko era zazoogerako ne bannaddiini abalala bazze bazoogerako abamu batya ne bannaddiini abamu boogera ku nsonga zino era tusaba ensonga eno ereme kubeera yaffe ffekka abali ku ludda oluwabula gavumenti olw'opposition kubanga ne bannaffe aba NRM nabo ensonga eno tebataliza nabo katunulaba nabo bamajuka wamba kyetulina okukola tuddeyo ku nkola ey'amateeka ffe kyetugamba omuntu obanga omwetaaganga gavumenti tewali buzibu naye etteeka ligamba ki ate omutwale poliisi ate naye talina kumalayo nnaku 2 ssaawa 48 oluwera bweziti era mumute oba mumutwale kugaza amateeka ekyo kitwagala nalabye Mwai Museveni ng'agamba nti ffe abopposition kyetulina okulemerako ennyo okulaba nti abantu batwalibwa mu kooti munnange kyetuze twogera temusosowaza nnyo kyakubatwala mu kooti of course n'ekyokubakwata nakyo tukikonako kubanga engeri abantu gye bakwatibwa poliisi erina okukikola naye kiri ekyo kanti abantu batwalibwe mu kooti bulijjo kyetwogera kati kingizaala emyezi gigenda mu 3 lwaki temutwala mu kooti waliwo munafu mulaba muyita Sam Mukumya nikakati tewali amanyibwa waali abalala babuzibwawo ba John Bosco Kibalama Prime Minister Kigambo yamanyi gyali n'abalala lwaki temubatwala mu kooti kubanga geega amateeka ssemateeka yateekebwawo 1995 constitution era Mwai Museveni agyenyumirizaamu nnyo kubanga mukulembeze gwe twafuna ssemateeka yaffe lwaki tegobererwa so kuli basiimuntu amaloboozi kakati gafaayo nnyo bannaddiini bakulembeze baffe abamuno tutambulire ku mateeka ffe kyetugamba sigamba nti sinnyonyi zisobola kuvunaanibwa musango guno oba omuntu yenna kubanga ffenna tewali ali wansi waggulu w'amateeka tewali ne bwaba omukulembeze w'eggwanga kati tteeka ligamba nti omukulembeze w'eggwanga toyinza mutwala mu kooti naye ate naye mu buweereza bwe alina okutambulira ku mateeka
kolebwaffe abaana enzaalwa za wano bannayuganda ensonga esinza okumuleeta wano okuba nti tubaddemu n'obuzibuzibu obw'ennamba ennamba zatubulamuko katono olw'okuba nti ebikozesebwa bingi components ezisinga omuli buchiipu omuli zitraka waliwo ebbula lyabyo okuva gye tubijja mu Bulaaya era mu lw'ensonga eyo ne tuba nga tetusobodde kufulumya nnamba okusinziira ku bwetaavu bwazo era tugambe minisita era ne tumulaga pulaani gye tulina tumukakasa nti ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi gwa August tujja kuba buli muntu ayibanje namba plate ye nga yasasula ssente gye tuyita backlog ng'asobodde okufuna ennamba ye.
They are giving our people jobs. This morning we are here to follow up with a meeting about the crisis we have in the country. We have nothing to hide now. We have to declare, since now the business people have launched silent attack on us because of lack of digital number plates. On Friday I told you, people in the bonds, they have imported motorcycles and cars. They have already received money from people to give them their cars and motorcycles, but they are not able to dispatch them because they don't have number plates. For example, the motorcycles, we have seen one company in Uganda, the one who imports Bajaj motorcycles. He's saying every day he gives out over 500 motorcycles to his retail agents. But now he's stuck, and that man, we have seen him paying URA fees, tax up front, because he knows tomorrow will come, so he deposits the money up front, because every day he gives out more than 500 motorcycles, and even others who are doing motorcycles. Then for the cars, we have the people who import cars in the country. The other day they came to the Ministry of Works complaining. They have written letters, they are stuck. And this problem has been around for almost a year, but now increasing. And the lack of digital number plates, we have seen the issues to do with the capacity of these people. We have here our good people here. The also problem we have got, Ugandans are very wise. They have started cheating their fellow Ugandans. You look at a car, which you will see here, with an old number plate, a car which was bought 2017, 2018, 2002. They spray it around. They want to come and put a new digital number plate. They say this car is new. A car which is worth 10 million, they cheat Uganda and sell it at 20 million after putting a new digital number plate and spraying it. So I've also got those people, and even these ones who lose their number plates, they want to replace them. And even those who want to comply by the law, they change the number plates voluntarily. All of those ones, we categorize them as post-registration. Those who are coming for post-registration, they have lost their numbers, they want to change the number plates voluntarily, they want to change number plates to sell their cars. That's one category. Then the other category of the new cars from the bonds. Everyone has got a crisis. And the system was made in a way, before even they handle to put in the line of putting number plate, you must pay. So Ugandans have paid billions of money to the bond owners who are selling the motorcycles and the cars. But also the bond owners, they have paid billions of money to our contractor here. The money is on the contractor's account. So they are worried, the business is dying, that's why you have come up with a problem. But the contractor has accepted, he has capacity challenges, and he has promised within a period of 6 weeks, all this is going to be sorted out. And he's saying, latest if it goes beyond, come 30th of August, we shall not have any issue to do with the number plate. If you buy your car from the bond, it will be fitted and you go, shall not have more delays. We are also looking at a problem where there is you lose your number plate, where you want to change your number plate voluntarily. They have been honest enough that for them they can only handle 2,500, including cars and motorcycles. And we are checking on our system as I speak now. We have 4,000. As we are speaking on the system now, we have checked on our system. People who want to change their number plates, people who have lost their number plates, and those who want to replace their number plates. On our system, both motorcycles and the cars, there are over 47,000 people. But we want to work with the contractor to see, can we serve those ones that have applied already, as we see our alternative.